Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about tattoos. I have a lot of them, in case you can't tell. And that's because I used to be a tattoo artist. A lot of us ladies are getting tattoos in places like our neck and our face these days, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. But the thing is, you have to know how to take care of them. With a lot of us really focusing on skincare and anti-aging products, there are some things that you really need to know about how to take care of your tattoos to make them last. Mine looks really faded today because I didn't clean it up, at least the one on my throat. I didn't clean it up after I put my makeup on, but a lot of times what I'll do is I'll take a makeup wipe or one of those magic eraser, or not magic erasers, that's Mr. Clean, but one of the makeup eraser rags and just clean up around my line work, and then it looks fine. And I learned that from a creator that used to be in the beauty YouTube space. Her name is Mel Thompson, because she had tattoos on her face and her throat and neck, and hers looked beautiful. So I happened to ask her one day, I said, Mel, how do they look beautiful and not faded? Because mine always do. And she said, this is what I do. First of all, the main thing that you want to think about when you are wanting your tattoos to look good is the artist that you go to. And I know that that might not make a lot of sense right now, but here's the thing to remember. Good tattoos are seldom cheap, and cheap tattoos are seldom good tattoos. And if your tattoo artist asks you to meet him in his kitchen, run. A kitchen tattoo artist is probably not going to give you a great tattoo, and there's a very good chance that your tattoo is going to give you some kind of infection or disease, and that is never good. Second of all, aftercare when you first get the tattoo is very important. There are a lot of different products on the market that will help you take care of your tattoo right after you get it done, but there are some things that you definitely want to avoid. Right as your tattoo is healing, do not put things like Neosporin or vitamin E on it, because those will draw the color right out of your tattoo. Second of all, you want to keep it moist. What I mean by this is hydrated, not like sopping wet. Use a good unscented lotion like Curel, the unscented Curel in the green bottle. I also recommend like a good moisturizer that is unscented. Tatcha is a great one. The Tatcha water cream, I love that one. I used that to heal this up, and it worked great. Part of it was the artist himself, because he really knew what he was doing, but this one healed in less than a week. Another thing to remember is sunscreen, and stay out of the sun. The sun is your tattoo's worst nightmare, okay? Because when you are in the sun, it just fades those lines. It pulls that pigment right out of your skin. Another thing to remember is skincare products. Not all skincare products are made to go on tattoos and will wreck your skin. Not your skin, but it will wreck your tattoo. Anything with a skin lightening product, because I know these are popular for individuals from like Korea and India. If you have a tattoo on your face or your throat, avoid it. Because what it's going to do is it's going to fade that color. It's going to pull, because it's pulling the pigment out of your skin, the melanin, so it's also pulling the pigment out of your tattoo. Second of all, AHAs and BHAs. Don't use them, not on that tattoo, because it's going to fade your pigment. Next is retinol. I know we love retinol as women because it does beautiful things for our skin. But if you're putting it on your tattoo, it's also going to exfoliate those layers that hold that pigment in. Avoid it on your tattoo. Is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is an enemy to your tattoo's pigment, so avoid it. And remember, even if your tattoo is not on your face anymore, a lot of skincare products are also in your body creams and your moisturizer or your body lotions. So make sure you're reading the ingredients on the label. Or to incorporate into your skincare is hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid holds moisture in, but make sure you are also topping it with a moisturizer. A lot of times, the Clarins double serum, that is an enemy to the skin on my face because it breaks me out, but I will put it all over here because it makes my tattoo look phenomenal and it holds that moisture in. Remember, the sun is your enemy, tanning beds are your enemy, and really not just for your tattoos, but for your skin as a whole. So SPF, 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 and hydration. That is all I have for you on that, and I hope this helps some of you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I'll talk to you later. Bye.